Hi my dear students, I am Uma Mahesh. One beautiful quote is there on the board. Observe. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try one more time. This is the secret of success. You have to try one more time. That's all. Okay? Very good. Okay, let us come to today's topic. Yes, today's topic is face value and place value. You all know about that. Okay, every digit in a number is having two values. One is face value and another one is place value. So what is face value? The value of the digit itself is called the face value. The value of the digit itself is called the face value. Then what is place value? The place value depend on the digit where it is situated, right? Okay, I'll give you example. Okay, in the number 2439. See, I am taking this example. This is 2439. So you all know 9 is in unit place, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in hundreds place, and 2 is in thousands place, right? Okay. So now I am taking them in a table. See, this is 9, this is 3, this is 4 and 2. See, 9 is in units place. You all know 9 is in units place. So whatever place it is, that is not important. The face value of 9 is 9 itself. The value of the digit itself is the face value. That's why the face value of 9 is 9 only. But 9 is in units place. That's why unit means 9 into 1. It will become 9 only. The place value of 9 is 9 only. Next, 3. The face value is 3 only. So that's why I am writing 3 here. And the place value, where it is there? See, it is in tens place. That's why 3 into 10 is equal to 30. The place value of 3 is equal to 30. And now 4. So 4, face value of 4 is 4. You know 4. And place value of 4 is, where it is 4 into 100, because it is in hundreds place. That's why it is 400. Then 2 is in thousands place. But face value is 2 only, because the value of digit is 2. That's why face value is 2. But 2 is in thousands place. That's why 2 will have 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. Right? See, in this way we can understand the face value and place value. So now you may ask, if there is a decimal number, how can we know about that? Okay, I'll take decimal number example. Okay, let us take decimal as 31.246. 31.246. You all know. See, this is a decimal pointer. This is a decimal pointer, decimal place. Okay, this is tens place, this is units place, and this is tenth place. I mean 1 by 10. Tenth place means 1 by 10. Hundredth place. Hundredth place means 1 by 100. This is 1 by 1000 means thousandth place. Thousandth place. Okay, let us know about the face value and the place value. This is face value and this is place value. Okay, now I will take 3 here. 1, 2, 4 and 6. What is the face value of 3? Face value of the 3 is 3 only, because the number, the value of the digit. Then face value of 3 is 3 only. Place value of 3 is equal to 3 into 10, because It is in tens place. That's why 3 into 10 is equal to 30. What is the place value and face value of 1? Face value of 1 is 1 only, but place value where it is in units place. That's why 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Then see, after the decimal point it is coming. 2 is coming after the decimal point. That's why 2. So face value of 2 is 2 only. Face value of 2 is 2 only. Then place value is equal to 2 into, it is in 10th place. I mean 1 by 10. We have to multiply it by 1 by 10. This becomes 2 by 10 is equal to 0 0.2. 0.2. When 1 0 is there in the denominator, we have to put one decimal point from the right side. Right side, one digit. Okay. So now 4. 4 face value is 4. Then place value is equal to 4 into, it is in 100th place. That's why 1 by 100 is equal to 4 by 100. 4 ones are 4. In the denominator 100 is there. I am writing 100. So if we convert this into decimals, we will get 0.04. So this is the place value. Then for the digit 6, face value is 6 only, and the place value is equal to 6 into, it is in 1000th place. That's why 1 by 1000 is equal to 6 ones are 6. 6 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.006. See, when decimal numbers comes, so we have to do like this. Okay, and I'll tell you one more trick also. Wait. See, they'll give an example like this. Okay, in this they may ask what is the place value of 4 and face value of 4. You already know face value of 4 is 4 only. Face value of 4 is 4 only, but place value is, see, so 4, you count the digits right side of the number 1 2 3 4. Write this number and write 3 zeros, 1 2 3. See, this is the place value. Okay, let us try one more example. Okay, in this number they are asking the place value of 3. Place value of 3, we have to find out place value of 3. What we have to do now? So let us write 3 here and count the digits right side of the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 6, that much zeros. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 6 zeros I am putting. So this is the place value in this number, right? The number 3 is having this much of face value, sorry, place value, right? Okay, thank you. And if it is a decimal number, what we will do to find out the place value? 31.3469. So if you want to know the place value of 6, face value already you know, no need to discuss again and again. But the place value is 6. See, I have to write 6 here and I have to make all the digits 0. See, 6. So here 0.00, and right side of the decimal point, if we write anything, it is of no use. That's why I am not writing. So 0.006 is the place value. If they ask what is the place value of 4, what I should do? See, I have to write 4 here. Then see, this is 0.04. That's all. 0.04. This is the place value. Okay, let us solve some problems. In the number 67,897, what is the sum of the place values of 7? See, the question is, in the number 67,899, what is the sum of the place value and face value of 7? What is the sum of the place value of 7? Place values of 7. Okay. Now, place value of first 7. Which is in thousandth place, is equal to 7,000. Then place value of 7 in unit place is equal to 7 only. Then sum is equal to 7,000 plus 7 is equal to 7,007. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, we can take next problem. What is the difference of the place values? Second one, what is the difference of the place values of 5 in the number 573,459, 5,73,459. What they have asked, what is the difference of the place values of 5 in the number 5,73,459? Okay, solution. Place value of 5 in lakhs place is equal to, already I told you the trick. See, I have to write 5 here. After that, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why I have to put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then place value of 5 in tens place. Is equal to, see, write 5 here. How many digits are there right side of it? It is only 1. So then I have to add these two. That's all. 0, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 5. So this is the answer. 5,50,000 is the answer. Otherwise we can do, when they ask sum, one more trick is there. When they ask sum of the same digits place values, see, 5,73,459. When they ask sum, what we can do? 5 lakh. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 5, and this will be the answer. This is also a trick, but in this situation it applies. Thank you. Okay. Next problem. What is the difference? What is the difference of the place values of 7 and 5 in the number 7532. Okay. So what is the difference of the place values of 7 and 5 in the number 7532? Okay. Now the place value of 7. Place value of 7 is, see, write 7 and 3 zeros, 7000. Place value of 5 is, see, write 5 here and 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So we have to subtract because they have asked difference. That's why we have to take the difference. We have to subtract these two. Okay, this is 0, 0. This will become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, and this will become 6. That's why 6. 6500 is the answer. Okay, let us move on to the next question. Okay, fourth question is, what is the sum of the, what is the sum of place value and face value of 7 in the number 6742. Okay, what is the sum of the place value and face value of 7 in the number 6742? Okay, solution is, first of all we have to write place value of 7 is equal to 700 because it is in hundreds place. Next, face value, already know, face value is equal to value of the digit. Face value of 7 is equal to 7 only. Then so we have to add these two because they asked sum. That's why 707. See, 707. This is the answer. 707 is the answer. Okay, we are moving to next question. What is the difference of the fifth question? What is difference? What is the difference of the place value and face value and face value of 5 in the number 5,76,502. This problem has been asked in the previous examination. Okay, solution. Okay, we have to take the difference of place value and face value of 5. Okay, place value, you know, place value of 5 is equal to, write 5 and then count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then face value you already know. Face value of 5 is equal to 5 only, right? So we have to take the difference. That's why we have to subtract. See, if we take 10 from here, so it will become 10, 10, 5. This is 9. This is 9. This is 9. This is 9. And this is 4. 4,99,995 is the answer. Okay, let us move on to the next problem. sixth one. What is the product of? What is the product of place values of 2 and 3 in the number 6293. See, it is little different. Okay, it is not difficult, it is little different. What is the product? First they have asked sum, then they asked the difference. Now they are asking a product of the place values. Okay, as usual, place value of 2 is 200. Place value of 3 is 3 only, because it is in units place. Okay, it is in units place, that's why 3 is the place value. Then we have to multiply these two. 200 into 3 will become 600. 600 is the answer. Okay. Seventh one. What's the difference between? What is the difference between the place value and face value of 7 in 7,53,421. Okay, so they asked difference. Now they have asked difference. What is the difference between the place value and face value of 7 in 7,53,471? Okay, now place value of 7, you all know. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay, then face value of 7. Face value of 7 is place value is equal to, and place value is equal to 7. Okay, so they have mentioned difference, that's why we have to subtract. So this will become 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. This is 9, 9, 9, 9, and this become 6. So this becomes 6. That's why 6,99,993 is the right answer. Okay. Okay. Are you all enjoying? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let us solve 8th one. So this is very interesting question. What is the which number is having same face value? Which number is having same face value and place value? Face value and place value. Okay. So I am giving you 10 seconds. Can you answer? So only one number is having face value also same and place value also same. Yes, you are right. The answer is 0, because so if it comes in the unit place, value of it is 0 only. If you comes in any place, 10th place, 100th place or 100th place, wherever it comes, it will be multiplied by that place. That's why 0 into anything is equal to 0. That's why that value is 0 only. So the answer for this is 0. So answer is 0 for this question. Okay, this is very interesting question. Right. Next question. In the number, ninth question, in the number 9475, what is the addition? What is the addition or sum of the sum of the place values of 9 and 7 to their difference? See, we have to understand the problem properly. In the number 9475, what is the addition? What is the addition or sum of the place values 9 and 7 to their differences? See, in this question is easy, but understanding the question is little difficult. So if you understand it properly, fraction of a second answer will come. First of all, we have to know about place values. Okay, so 9, place value of 9. Solution, place value 9 is place number, 9475. Place value of 9 is equal to 9000. Okay, place value of 7 is 70. Okay, so first, so they have mentioned place values of 9 and 7. That's why I have written place value of 9 and place value of 7. Okay, I have written. So one part is completed. And next, what they have told, they have to take the sum of these two. So sum is 9000 plus 70. This is 9070. You all know. Then they told the difference. So difference is 9000 and 70. So minus 9000 minus 70. This is 0 only. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. This is 9 and this is 8. 8930 it will come. Then what we have to do now? The addition of these two. So we have to add these two. Addition. See, that word mentioned here. See, they have mentioned sum. That's why I have taken sum. They have mentioned difference. That's why I have taken difference. Then they asked us to do the addition. Okay, now 9070, 8930. If we add these two, this is 0. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, 1 carry 10. This is 18. 18,000 will come. This is the answer. And one more trick is there. What is that trick? If we multiply the greatest number, by 2, we will get the answer. See, greatest number is 9000. I am multiplying by 2. So the answer is equal to 18,000. See, this applies when addition of the sum and the difference have asked. This is very important. Addition. This is not the subtraction. This is addition. When here addition is there, sum and difference is there, then this formula works. This is a trick. Thank you so much.